Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to go over some of the things that I am taking with me on my trip to Chicago, makeup that I am traveling with. So it might seem like a lot, but honestly it's not. Most of it's just the stuff that I use every day, which I guess might also seem like a lot. It doesn't feel like a lot to me, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you're interested, keep on watching. And if you're interested. So this is my makeup bag that I keep most of my makeup in. I think it used to be like a shaving bag or something. So I keep most of my makeup in here. And then, my other things, like my bigger palettes won't fit in here, so I put those separate. But everything that I can fit in here, I do. So the things that I use every day, like my foundation, my airspun powder, my concealer, those are going. I'll just dump everything out so I can start packing it in, because I am starting to pack today. I won't be wearing makeup tomorrow or when we leave, probably, so this is just going to be me getting everything ready to go. And I thought, why not just bring you along with me? So got those, the airspun, which is huge, like it's too bad that it's so big. Maybe instead of the airspun, since I am traveling, I might just take the Bye Bye Pores pressed powder instead. It's a lot smaller. So I'm going to take this instead of the Coty airspun. It's just too big. And then for primers, I'm taking the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For, the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion, Hourglass, the Baby Skin. I know that's a lot of primers, but that's just part of my routine. This is helping me also just like declutter my makeup bag with some things that I don't need anymore. My Maybelline Age Rewind, I just really use it for the sponge, so that'll go in there too. My two mascaras. My Epic Ink Liner from NYX. My Anastasia Brow Wiz. My eyelash curler, and my eyelash separator. A ColourPop in Flexitarian highlight. My Morphe sponge is going to go in there, but probably on the top, because it takes up a lot of space, and it's still wet, so it's huge. My Maybelline Fit Me powder with the retractable kabuki brush that I always have with it. I'll put that in there too. Oh, I'll put this in my brush case. I am taking my brush case with me. These brushes would take up all of the space in there, and so being able to have it separate. Tweezers, just in case. Whoa, this is a good declutter. Feels good. I mean, usually this is packed and I can't fit anything else into it. I'm going to take this chapstick from EOS. I have several, so I'll keep one in my makeup bag. The ColourPop lip gloss in Tight Fit. What I've got on my lips right now over a Burt's Bees lipstick is my sample of the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss, and I really like how shiny it is, so I'll put that in there. The Makeup Revolution lipstick in Reckless. I have somehow lost like all of the Makeup Revolution lipsticks that I bought. I have no idea where they went, and I have looked all over. I don't know. I've checked both backpacks and my purse and all of my drawers. I have no idea what I did with them. I'm gonna take my color switch and my butter bronzer, my Mary Luminizer, my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in More Better. It's just an all-time favorite. I think maybe I'll stop keeping it in its package because the package is starting to fall apart. Recycle that. The Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray and my Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is for the face and this is for eyeshadow. My Morphe sponge. And then the two palettes that I'm going to take are the ColourPop Double Entendre and the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And my brush case. So that's it for the makeup that I'm taking. Oh, and I guess also my Morphe blush palette. It's not bad. Like, it looks like a lot, but it's really not that much. I'm gonna grab the skincare that I'm going to take with me as well. That's probably where I'll end this because I don't think you care about really anything else. So I'll be right back with my skincare. Okay, just a couple more makeup products. Because I still have a lot of room in this bag. I'm going to take my e.l.f. lip exfoliator and brown sugar. My buzz shaver. It's for my eyebrows. I don't need to take this. I like this pair of tweezers better than the other one. ColourPop Super Shock Shadow and Cheap Date. 3 Morphe liquid lipsticks. Hot Shot, Morphe, and Homecoming. The Burt's Bees Blush Basin Glossy Lip. That's what I've got on right now. The NYX Lip Liner. And these Kroger brand oil absorbing sheets. I used to use the ones by Neutrogena, but these ones are a lot cheaper. It just helps for blotting to get oil off of your nose and chin, and then you can powder again, and it looks great. So I haven't had these for a while, and I'm glad that I got some more. I'm gonna say that's it for makeup. We're full. And for my skincare, I will of course be taking my Clarisonic. I don't know if I'll pack the charger. I'll probably charge it before we go. I've only had to charge it once because I only use it once a day. So it hasn't told me that it's dying yet. So I'll probably just charge it again before we go. So I won't have to take the charger with me. And the face washes are the Clarisonic Refreshing Gel Cleanser and the Mario Badescu Acne Control Cleanser. I like to use these together. The CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is the eye cream that I've been using recently, and I quite like it, so I'll take that. My eye makeup remover is the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. It's what I have used since 7th grade, so ride or die on that one. That one goes with me. I think I have a mini one. I did find my mini one. It was in the suitcase from last time. So I'll be taking my mini Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. It's the only way I can get waterproof makeup off my face. Some eye drops, Q-tips, Neosporin, Alka-Seltzer. Those are not skincare products, except for Neosporin, but I don't go anywhere without Alka-Seltzer. I'm an old lady. I'm going to take my Hydro Fresh Toner by L'Oreal, my Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Control Moisturizer, ride or die since junior high school, my mini Mario Badescu spray, and then I've got, you know, like deodorant and that kind of thing. And I think I'm gonna take both of these dry shampoos. Because I hear that this leaves a really bad white cast, and if I don't like it, then I'll use this one. So I'm gonna take both of these. You know, I still got like my straightener and my hair dryer and all of that stuff that I gotta take with me. So that's gonna take up just a section, I guess, of my luggage. Luckily we fly with Southwest, so we get 2 free check bags and 2 carry-ons. So I can take as much as I want. Not that I need to, and I'm not going to use all of that. I'll probably check 1 bag and have 2 carry-ons. That's how I like to fly. So yeah, I'm gonna pull out a suitcase and start putting stuff in it. I'm so excited for my trip. I can't even wait to get out of here. I'm so excited. And I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to film while I'm there, so I might take my equipment with me. I'm definitely going to be editing while I'm there. I'm taking my computer and all of that with me. So we'll see if you get anything from me while I'm out there. Otherwise, we'll have to make do with what we get. Thank you so much for watching my Pack My Shit Up episode. Subscribe to my channel. And I will be doing a vlog while we're in Chicago, just because we are going to go into the city and probably go to the Willis building and the Hancock building and Navy Pier. And this is the first time our friend Jessie has been out there. So I'm probably going to vlog a lot of it. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye! I'll see you guys later. Bye! 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 Holy shit, what a mess. What a freaking mess. What a mess.